everyone, welcome to byGoldenberry. I'm Tina and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the double crochet. In UK terms that's known as the treble. This is a small sample of what it looks like after 4 rows of double crochet. I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch from a foundation chain and also from row to row. Let's start with the foundation chain. You want to make your foundation chain the width that you want your project to be and then start your turning chain from there. So I've chained 15 and we'll start our turning chain, which is 3 chains from there. We'll start our first double crochet stitch into the 4th chain. So how we do that is we yarn over, go into the 4th chain from the hook, yarn over again and pull through, and you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. That's your first double crochet stitch. And what I like to do here is mark this first stitch so that I know where my last stitch is on the next row. So we'll do that again. We'll yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Continue like that until you get to the end and meet me there. So we've finished the first row and we want to start our second row, and what we're going to do is before turning we chain 3. This is our turning chain again. So we've got chain 3 and we turn over and work straight into this first stitch here. So if you turn it back round, you'll see that's the last double crochet that we made. We're going to go straight into there. So we'll yarn over, go into this first stitch, yarn over again, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Again, you could mark this first stitch if you like, just to keep track of the last stitches of the row if you want. So we'll continue like that until we get to our marked stitch at the end. I've reached the marked stitch at the end and we need to make sure that we're working into that one as well. So we'll make our last double crochet into there. And that's the end of the row. So we'll just carry on like that until you reach the height that you want. And that's how to crochet the double crochet stitch. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try and help out as much as I can. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.